Hello, hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I have been missing for a minute because I got the COVID, and I have been sick. So I'm finally starting to feel a little bit like myself again, which is fantastic. I like feeling like myself, a little squishy. Anyway, I'm doing much better. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today I am doing a look with a brand new palette. It is called the Trixie Team Trixie palette from Trixie Cosmetics. It looks like this. And there's also a Team Katya palette, which looks like this. But I will do this palette on a different day. But these palettes can work together. They can work individually. And today I am doing one with the Team Trixie because it's just now turned spring. Spring has sprung. There's a spring in my step. There's a spring in my bed. No, there's not a spring in my bed. It's a Tempur-Pedic, so it's a nice foam bed. But anyway. Would you like to see what it looks like swatched? That can be arranged. 1, 2, 3. Bam! It starts down here, and it's very pale, some very pale colors, and then it goes up like this, and it's very pretty and pastel-y. And look at that sparkly black. That sparkly black is something to be reckoned with. And look at that aqua. Very cool. Very cool. So I'll just tell you guys what's been going on. As you know, I was supposed to, actually today I was supposed to have my bariatric surgery, but because I got sick last week, it has been postponed until April the 4th, which is a Monday. And I'm looking forward to that day with bells on. You know, I was so close, just a few days away from having it, and then I got tested positive for the COVID. And it's very disappointing, but that's okay because things happen the way they're supposed to sometimes. So I'm going to go into Bartender and put this in the crease. It's beautiful. And it's going on nice and easy. It looks great. It's a great crease color. And I'm getting ready to see Trixie and Katya, speaking of them, this weekend in Nashville, and see my good friend Jo Withrow and her husband while I'm down there in Nashville. So that's very exciting news for us because we haven't taken a little trip in a while, and plus we'll both, Rome got COVID too, because how could he not? He's like within inches of my face every night. But you know, we both haven't been anywhere for a while. You know, I'm quarantining for the 10 days. It's not a party. It's so not a party. But it is what you need to do when you get sick and you follow the directions of the health department. So I'm going to go into Perfect 10. This beautiful shimmer. Oh, look at that. That looks great. That looks really great. So anyway, just been resting, relaxing, watching a lot of television. Just got done watching a bunch of stuff. We're all caught up on everything right now that we've been watching. We just finished The Last Kingdom on Netflix, which is great. Fantasy, adventure, drama kind of stuff. It's really good. There's 5 seasons of it, and a lot of the names are very similar because it's like the Danes and the Saxons in England and Christianity and the gods and lots of drama and intrigue and swashbuckling, that kind of gear. That's just so beautiful. Man, I'm just loving that so much. I didn't know how much I would love it, and now I love it that much. That much. So that was good. We started watching Yellowstone. I'm done watching 1883, which is the prequel to Yellowstone, like how the family came to the property they have in Wyoming. It's very interesting. I'm going to go in with this yellow. And do a little yellow moment, if it'll work. It's working. It's showing up. It's not as cute as I wanted it to be. But it's still cute. I think I'm gonna take this brush and go into flipping out this little darker moment here. Put that in the outside crease. So it doesn't take away, it just adds some depth. Now my eyes look like some kind of lollipop. Let's get a blending brush. Let's blend this out some. That looks really nice. But yeah, we've been watching lots and lots of television. I haven't done my makeup in over a week. I feel like out of touch with it a little bit. But that's really pretty. I think I'm going to go back in with this brush, but I'm going to go into Game Face, which is a shimmery pink, and just go extend the pink out a little bit onto the brow bone. Kind of an Easter egg look, even though Easter is a minute away. Let's do some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have mascara and liner on. It's a miracle that it has happened to me today. I am a little sluggish. I'm a little off my game. But the important thing is that I'm here showing you a brand new palette. Now let's do some lip. I'm going to go with my standby number 65. Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink in Seductress. I knew that's what it was called, but I had to double check because it is a beautiful pale pink nude. And that is just lovely, and I'm happy with this look. I'm also happy with this palette. Team Trixie. It is great. It made a beautiful look. I can't wait to do more with it. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.